How to set up an autoresponder for your form respondents. With the autoresponder feature, you can send submission confirmation messages to your form respondents after they fill out a form. You can write whatever you want in the message, and you choose to add their response in the message if you want. To enable autoresponder for a form, go to the Forum Builder and click on the Settings tab. On the Forms Settings page, click the Autoresponder option on the left menu bar. To send the form respondents their submitted data, enable the Include Respondents Response switch. Select the email field to use as the recipient's email address. This field has to be an email field and is also required. If no email field is selected, a default intro page is added to your form that requests your users to enter their email addresses. The default email subject is the form name, submission summary. You can change this default title after setting a custom message by inputting your preferred email subject in the autoresponder title field. You can input the preferred name you would like your respondents to see in sender name. The reply to email received replies to the autoresponder email. The default is set to the email associated with your account. To change it, enter your preferred email address in the reply to email field. The In What Format Would You Like Your Respondents to Receive Documents field allows your respondent to receive an attachment of a PDF or Word copy of their responses. The How Do You Want to Show Empty Fields feature allows you to select how you would like the fields that were not required to be filled on your form to be shown in the autoresponder mail. You can either choose to leave blank or choose to display as empty, or to not be shown at all. If you have a custom template, you can use this custom template in the Select a Document template field to enable the attachments sent to your autoresponder to have the responses submitted by your respondents embedded in your custom template. The Rename Attachment field lets you rename the autoresponder attachment with the value submitted in a selected field. To remove this intro page on an existing form with the default autoresponder, edit the form and select an email field to be used from your form as explained above. And that's how to set up an autoresponder for your form respondents.